Now we're going to download the software. Double-click on the Clarity Direct Setup.exe and then select Download. It'll scan for a moment for viruses. The software is unique, so it might flag it, but rest assured that it is totally safe to download. So hit Download anyway. Then wait a moment for the download to begin. You'll know it started when on your toolbar a little download logo starts. When the software finishes downloading, you can click there, or you can access your download folders from your desktop. Go to Downloads and double-click that Clarity Setup.exe. And then hit Next. The pre-installation info is included in the emails we've been sending you, so you can read that or hit Next, and then agree to the terms, hit Next, and then install in the C drive. When you hit Finish, your computer will restart. Back up, you should be able to access Clarity, toolbar, or on your desktop. You can also find it in your applications under Clarity.